Want you to imagine when you check your mobile phone and you see payment like this over $221 and you have upwards of hundreds if not thousands of dollars sitting into your account balance and you're able to generate daily income just like this over and over again. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry because they're gonna pay you in many different payment methods available in your country. Once again, this is a great news because this is available in US and non-US countries as well. They are literally unlimited earning opportunity, which is very easy, simple and legit. This is your average earning, which is $65 per hour, and when you're working for 2 hours a day you can earn $130. When you're working for 5 hours a day you're able to generate $325. Yes, this method is proven and this is 100% legit, and it doesn't require any investment because this is absolutely free. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer to start working, and you're able to generate daily income by simply working from home. In just a moment, I'm gonna hop into my computer and show you how to register and activate your account. On top of that, I'll walk you through all the steps and all the details right on this video. So before I reveal this website to you, I want you to check this out. Your dream career starts now, and you're able to work with popular brands and earn money online from home without invest a single dime. And right here, very important, make sure you watch this part, and this is exactly how it works. Now, first of all, you're able to explore different online jobs that you can do from your home, and all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer, and you can apply for free, right? Do not have to invest anything from all over the world. And in just a moment, I'm gonna walk you through different jobs that's gonna pay you differently. As you can see here, they're literally unlimited jobs opportunity. Once again, if you watch until the end, I'll show you a lot of real world examples so that you can see exactly how I do it. So once you find a job that you're interested to work on, you're able to get hired and start working from home. And step number 3, you're gonna start working and do the job, and I'll show you an example on how to do this, and then you can start collect your earnings, and they pay you in many different payment methods available in your country. And I want you to take a look at this. These are some examples of the work from home jobs that you can do. Say for example, online proofreading jobs, and right here, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, moving down with online paid survey jobs as well. And there are literally so many jobs opportunity. For example, medical transcription job, content writing, affiliate marketing, online teaching and online typing jobs. Each and every single one of these jobs, they're gonna pay you different amount of money. Right now, I want to show you some of my personal experience and my other subscribers who are already making money on this website. So pay close attention because I want to show you the first bonus tip, right? Number 1, you're gonna focus on online proofreading jobs because that's gonna pay you a very good amount of money. And number 2, we're gonna focus on the online typing jobs. So as you can see, for online typing jobs, you can earn about $45 up to $90 or more per day. So if you keep watching all the way until the end, I'll show you a bonus tip where you can earn triple more money compared to other people using these exact jobs. In this video, we're gonna focus on this category, and you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer. And I'll walk you through a real life example of a typing job that you can do, which is very simple. Right there, all you gotta do is just gonna click on this red button right here to read more. So as you can see here, this is the working opportunity. We are looking for a typist to perform typing and word processing tasks for our worldwide clients. So right there are no minimum entry barriers. You don't need any experience. You can do this as a complete beginners. As you can see here, you can earn about 13,000 up to 27,000 or more per year, which is a very good income for a lot of people on a side hustle. And once again, this is available worldwide, and this is available for US and non-US regions as well. So I want you to comment down below and let me know, are you based in the United States or are you coming from different countries in the world? And right here, part-time job and full-time job is available. You can choose on this based on your schedule, and you can basically work from home on this, which is very simple, and you can make money over and over again with some very simple typing job. And I'll show you a little bonus trick where you can earn more money using this exact strategy. Make sure you watch until the end for this bonus. So as you can see here, they're gonna pay you every single page that you type. Take a look at this. Earn about 13,000 up to 27,000 or more per year, which is a very good income for a lot of people on a side hustle. And once again, this is available worldwide, and this is available for US and non-US regions as well. So I want you to comment down below and let me know, are you based in the United States or are you coming from different countries in the world? And right here, part-time job and full-time job is available. You can choose on this based on your schedule, and you can basically work from home on this, which is very simple, and you can make money over and over again with some very simple typing job. And I'll show you a little bonus trick where you can earn more money using this exact strategy. Make sure you watch until the end for this bonus. So as you can see here, they're gonna pay you every single page that you type. Take a look at this, $6 for every single page. Right here, this is one example of the file or the document that you're gonna receive. So right there, this is actually page number 1, and this right here page number 2, and right there page number 3. And every single single page of this, you're gonna get paid $6 US. And from that file, I'm able to earn $18 US, and you can do this in literally just minutes. As you can see here, for the expected earnings is actually $90 per day, and right there is actually very low because they based on the estimation using 15 pages per day, right? 15 pages is actually $90. But I want to show you a very special trick where you can literally complete 30 pages or even 50 pages per day, and that's gonna essentially help you to earn triple or quadruple your earnings very fast. Right here you can see the joining fees. The registration is absolutely free. There's no hidden cost before or after the joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stages of the application. Right now I want you to go on to this website, which is talentdesire.com. So once you come over to this page, I want you to click on this tab right here, which is current openings, and that's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, when I scroll down below, you can click on online typing jobs. That's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, now the sign up process is a little bit tricky and it's a little bit hidden on the website, so make sure you watch the full video so that you can able to sign up and activate your account. Scroll down below here, you want to choose for this button at the bottom, which is apply now. As you can see here, this is the red button, and that's gonna take you to this page where you can start apply now. And when you scroll down below, you can look for more details about this job and all the steps on how to sign up, but I just want to show you everything on this video so that you can save more time. Right here you can see step number 1, select an application form. All you gotta do is just click on these red links right here, click on this. That's gonna take you to this page where you can find online application form and also offline application form. So right here we're gonna do it online, and this is very simple. All you gotta do is just click on this link, online application form, and then you're gonna come over to this page. As you can see here, the sign up process is a series of pages. Make sure you rewatch the video, or you can save the video and watch it later again so that you are able to find the registration page. Once again, when you scroll down below, you're gonna look for these small little links, which is fill in your details to apply and work with us. All you gotta do is just tap on this link right here. Oh my gosh, you're finally able to come over to the registration page. You have to fill in your details to apply and start working with us. Over here you can see there's a series of questions that they're gonna ask you. Make sure you keep watching to make sure that you are actually qualified for this job and able to start making money. So the first thing that you're gonna do is for the privacy policy. I recommend you to check out and read it right here, and you can just accept that by ticking on this box. For the personal information, it's just very straightforward. Just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and very important for you to put in the right email because they're gonna send you all the updates and all the emails and verification to you. And moving on, the contact numbers and also your country. So right now it doesn't matter if you're based in United States or any countries in the world, you're able to get selected on this opportunity. So moving on to the next part, which is professional information. So right there, this is very important. For the preferred job title, you're gonna put in professional typist. And what time is best for you? When you click on this down arrow, you're able to choose on all day because that's going to give you more higher chances to get accepted and more working opportunities, more pages of work that you're going to receive. And when you're typing them using a very simple trick, which I'll show you in a moment, and you're able to generate more money compared to other people. Right there, your best way to receive your earnings, you're able to click on this arrow. You can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, or Skrill. For me personally, I receive my money into my PayPal account, and I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your preferred payment method in your country. Right there, for the terms of submission, your current profession status, you can choose on one of these options: housewife, students, retired, full-time or part-time employee. So as you can see, you can just choose on whatever you want, but I recommend you to choose on maybe part-time or full-time employee. Finally, on the section right here, you're gonna read on this to agree to the terms and condition and click on this little box. And for the signature, you can just put in your full name into this box and click on this "I'm not a robot" and click on the submit button. As simple as that. Or you're able to receive the jobs like this and receive pages and pages of jobs that you can type and earn upwards of $6 per page. You're gonna first go on to this website, which is typingtest.com. When you come over to this website, and once again, you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer. Go ahead and click on this tab, which is typing test, and that's gonna take you to this page. Complete a typing test in 60 seconds. And the reason why we're gonna go on to this to prove that we're actually qualified for this job and we can increase our earnings by providing them with our typing speed. And once again, this website is absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything to do this test, and you can repeat this over and over again. I'll show you a very quick example. When I click on 1-minute test, and you're gonna choose on text right here, and you're gonna just go and click on this button, start typing test. That's gonna take you to this page, as you can see here, where you can start typing into this box, typing all the words as you can see here, and the timer will start running right for 1 minute, and they're gonna automatically calculate what is your typing speed. Say for example, if I start typing right here, the tiger Pantera. As you can see here, the timer is start running and they're gonna show what is my typing speed. So as you can see here, after 1 minute, they're gonna show what is your typing speed and how many words per minute that you type. So for my results, 54 words per minute. So right here you can see for the errors, I actually mistyped 4 words as you can see here. Right now you can see there are different levels, for example, slow, average, fluent, fast, and pro. Right here for my results, which is 54, as you can see here, this is actually above average, and this is enough for you to make money on this website. So if you're lower than 50, you can actually practice on this website until you get above 50. Don't worry about that because it's actually much easier than what you think. So right now I want to give you the second bonus tip, is that make sure your typing accuracy is above 98%. Now if your typing accuracy drop below 98%, your work will be returned to you and your payment will be on hold until you resubmit the work. So you're only allowed for 2% of the typing mistakes, so make sure you check your work before you submit to them. As you can see here, the typical articles that you receive is about 3 pages on upwards to up to 10 pages per file. So this one right here, impact of food to human body, which is a 3 pages articles where I'm able to earn 18 US dollars because $6 per page. Right there, if you have an above average typing speed, you're able to earn more money compared to other people, and you can essentially receive more pages of articles that you can type from your phone, type on your computer, and you can work from home and do it flexible as a part-time or a full-time job.